Hello everyone, in this video I would like to show you how exactly you can see how many congratulations you received on your birthday on Facebook. So let's jump right in. Tap on your Facebook app. Then, if you use Android device, tap on three lines at the top right corner. If you use iPhone iOS device, tap on three lines at the bottom right corner. From now, any steps as for Android as for iPhone iOS devices are the same. You just tap on your name, see your profile. So scroll down, and here you will see how many friends posted on your timeline for your birthday. But you will see only some of them. You can see 1, 2, 3. I received only 3 posts on my timeline. But I want to see all these my congratulations. So we just scroll down. In the last congratulation you will see more and how many. Just tap on see more, and here you will see all congratulations. You just scroll down and you will see all your congratulations on your birthday. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.